Hey, welcome to another show. Today we're gonna draw a baby bird.
I'm gonna draw a big bird.
Are you gonna draw a big bird?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna draw a big bird and a baby bird. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
All right, let's get started. You have your Crayola marker?
Yeah.
What we're gonna do is, first of all, I'm going to draw a big oval. So can you please draw a big oval just like that? I like it. Now we're gonna draw two circles, and the circles you can place right up on top of the oval, like that. Okay. Oh, I like your eyes. And now we're going to put the pupil part of the eye right here in the middle.
And mouth.
Yep. And now we're going to take from here, this corner right here, we're going to come right down to about there and then come up to this point here. So I'm going to draw a triangle. And can I go, let me go ahead and put a dot right. We put a dot right here. So can you draw a line from here to there? Draw a line from here to there. Look at this. Yeah. Draw a line from there. Okay. Now draw a line over to here. I like that beak. That is an awesome beak. Nice. Okay. Now we got to add a little bit of fluffy feathers on top of this bird. So just can draw a few lines going out like this. Looking good. And now some feet. Now I usually put, you got to draw your feet there. What I'll do is I'll just draw 3 lines coming out, and the middle line will be just a little bit bigger. Okay. And now we got to put a couple little nostrils right there on the baby bird. I like yours.
My big one.
Yeah. And there you go. Easy cheesy. You got a baby bird.
I got a big bird.
Yeah, should we add some details and color to it?
Yeah.
All right, color time.
Color time.
Hey, that was a lot of fun drawing these birds. I like yours with the gigantic beak. That's pretty cool. Very easy. No.
Which joke first?
You want Birdie to tell you a joke?
Yeah.
Hey, Birdie, you want to tell a joke? Sure. Well, go ahead and tell the joke. Right now? Well, of course right now.
All right. What did the duck say to the cashier as he bought some lipstick?
Do you know the answer?
Yeah.
Put it on my bill.
That was a pretty good one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. Make sure you subscribe, and like always,
Have a fun day.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.